and have access to a telephone.
Yeah, that's what I'm calling you on.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
What's wrong with Corey?
I'm coming for you.
If you want to come, you know where I am.
I do know where you are, and I'm coming. Yeah.
You have to do that in front of me?
Yeah. What?
Who you looking at like that? Yeah, alright. All y'all cats act like y'all don't be hearing us humans. Y'all, you know what I'm saying, don't you? It's so crazy. Y'all act so selfish and stuff. When I feed you food, I scoop your doo-doo, which stinks all the time. And oh, now you sleep. Now you sleep? Yeah, alright.